Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of My Tour Tales. I'm Eric Stone. Today we're going to the Idaho State Fair. I'm in Boise, Idaho, and we'll be hitting the fair, and the two things I think of when I go to the fair are corn dogs and deep fried Twinkies. I picked the wrong day to go vegan. I'd like to thank my sponsor too, Mark Chenoweth, for the new hats. So far so good. So we're off to the fair. We'll see you at the end. Western Idaho's fair history dates back to 1897, when it got started as the Intermountain Fair. Although the foundation is the same for the fair today as it was all those years ago, many events have changed over time. The Intermountain Fair sprung out of the need for the community to connect Boise to other large cities within 300 miles. With Boise's strong agricultural roots, the first fair featured three major departments: livestock, sheep, cattle, horses, and hogs, products of the soil, and a domestic manufacturing home department. There is every conceivable type of food at the fair, including two of my favorites. The Pronto Pup, which is a delicious fresh dipped corn dog. Okay, one down, one to go. Then of course, deep fried Twinkies. Deep fried Twinkies are the kind of thing that can only be invented by an Englishman living in Brooklyn. Christopher Sale, originally from Rugby, England, and the owner of a chip shop in Brooklyn's Park Slope neighborhood, noticed that the bodega down the street had a surplus of Twinkies. So he did what any red-blooded American would do. He deep fried the shit out of them. The result was a crispy, melty pillow of artificially vanilla-flavored goodness that was summarily adopted by Texans and everyone else. All right, number two, deep-fried Twinkie. What? Oh, little goats. What's up, buddy? What's up? What are you doing? What are you doing, mate? The baby goat. Hey, buddy, you have way too many horns. Look, it's man's best friend when the wife is away.
You don't have food?
Hey, dirt, baby goats. What's up, little guy? Hey, little guy. Little baby pigs. Kim. Oh my God.
Hats and eyeglasses.
I'm very scared. Zombies. Ah! Ducks! Ah! Look, zombies! The scariest I've ever been. Oh my God, we survived. We're riding that.
Sorry, baby!
Whoa.
Let's go, boy!
No, they didn't.
Let's go! Let's go!
Are you gonna win?
Yeah.
All right, do it. Do it. Throw it.
Watch for the pool, bud.
So
Try to
crazy.
run.
Run, Jackson, run!
Hey y'all, that wraps up another episode of My Tour Tales. I hope you liked it. Isn't it something magical about taking a kid to the fair? Just amazing. Anyway, I hope you liked it, and if you want to see more of My Tour Tales, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I upload new videos. That's it for My Tour Tales. I'm Eric Stone. Remember, open roads, open minds.